So we're going to first begin by building a skeleton for the body. And when we create a sculpture, the internal structure support is called an armature. Know that for the quiz. An armature is where we start. A rather long piece of wire. I really recommend you start by standing up before we hand it to you. And we always want to make sure that the wire is being held vertically. You need to be careful. The ends can be sharp and we do not want to poke anybody in the eye. Always like a natural bend where it's been coiled up. We're going to use that to our advantage. This particular wire that we received this year is a lot thicker than I prefer, and it's a little harder to work with. So I'm going to just make sure you understand that. The more you move wire around, the tighter the atoms and the molecules of the, whatever the science is, but the tighter the structure of the metal gets together, and it's harder to move. So you want to be precise as possible. I'm going to start by grabbing my two ends and bringing them together. And I'm going to give a karate chop so that I kind of find the midpoint. Then I'm going to hook it with my thumb and twist it. Now I have a fish. You see how I've caught this fish here? Now, I want to be careful because I'm going to have to make this hole very, very small. I'm going to work my hand up the tail of the fish, bring those legs kind of down to the ground, hold it at the middle, push up, pull down, push up, pull down. This is still too big. I want it to be about the size of my thumb to the first knuckle, so I can pull in that, like so. Okay? It's like a little magnifying glass, monocle.